What does it mean if my HVAC system suddenly becomes much louder? It usually means a part is loose, blocked, dirty, worn out, or failing, and it should be checked soon. A sudden increase in sound is different from the normal hum your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system makes. A rattling noise may come from a loose screw, panel, duct connection, or piece of debris caught near the blower fan. A grinding or squealing sound can point to worn motor bearings, a damaged belt, or a fan that is rubbing against something. A loud buzzing may indicate an electrical problem, such as a failing capacitor or contactor, which helps the outdoor unit start and run. A whistling sound often means air is being forced through a clogged filter, closed vent, leaking duct, or undersized opening. First, turn off the system if you smell burning, see smoke, hear metal scraping, or notice unusual vibration. You can safely check whether the filter is dirty and whether objects are blocking the outdoor unit, but do not remove electrical covers. One lesser-known clue is that a sound that changes when the system switches between heating, cooling, and fan-only modes can help a technician identify whether the problem is in the blower, compressor, or ductwork. Write down when the noise happens and record a short video, because this can make diagnosis faster and less expensive. A common mistake is replacing the filter without checking whether the loud sound continues, so listen again after replacement and arrange service if it remains. Another mistake is spraying lubricant or tightening parts inside the unit without knowing what they do, so leave internal repairs to a qualified technician. Some people also assume louder means the system is working harder and cooling better, but unusual noise can signal reduced airflow or a motor under dangerous strain, so schedule an inspection before the problem grows. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.